Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to do a blank highlight name on Instagram. Okay, so open up Instagram and you want to go ahead and go to your profile, and there you can see I have a highlight right now. There it says random. To make this a no name, okay, you want to go ahead and go to the settings, click on edit highlight, and once you're on edit highlight, you can go out of Instagram, open up Google Chrome, and you want to type blank. You want to type what I'm typing in right now. Okay, so just type it word for word how I've typed it out here, and then you want to hit go, and then you can see the invisible text. Okay, you click on any one of the results and then copy it to your clipboard. Then you go back onto Instagram and you replace the name with that invisible text. Okay, so click on paste and then click on to done, and as you can see, as you can see, there will be no name for this particular highlight. As you can see, if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.